皆さんこんにちは、クレチャンネルです。今日はですね、超簡単に作れるトマトパスタを紹介したいと思います。使うポイントは料理のポイントはこのマッシャーを使うんですけど、トマトを潰すんです。これでいつもこの人はね、ポテトばっかり潰してるから、トマトもね、たまには潰してもらって違う仕事もねしていただいたらいいんじゃないかなと思います。これがね、めちゃめちゃ美味しいんですよ。皆さんにこの手軽で美味しいこのパスタを知ってほしいので、ぜひ見ていってください。それでは早速作り始めたいと思います。
So, okay, these are today's ingredients. Pasta approximately 200 gram to 240 gram for 2 person, 1.5 liter of water to boiling the pasta, half a tablespoon of salt. So next, the seasonings. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and at least 30 cherry tomato would be better. 1 teaspoon of salt and about 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. So okay, now let's make the cherry tomato sauce first. So set a medium-low heat and add the 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So when the pan is warm enough, add the cherry tomatoes. So fry for about 1.5 minutes. This will cause the skin on the surface of the tomato to break and the juice to come out. But sorry, the tomatoes I'm using this time are from frozen tomatoes, so I fry them for a little longer, about 3 to 4 minutes. Excuse me, I digress. Let's get back to the topic of normal cherry tomatoes cooking way. So okay, this is where Mr. Masher comes in. The fried cherry tomatoes are crushed directly in the fry pan. At this point, crush them slowly and gently. This is because tomato pulp may scatter. So okay, now season the tomatoes. So first, add the 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, roughly 40 grams of Parmesan cheese, and a half teaspoon of salt. So please taste yourself and feel free to adjust the amount of condiments to your liking. So okay, it's half done. So next, let's boil the pasta. So I'm gonna use a fry pan to save time. And once the water is boiling, add the salt and cook the pasta following packet direction. So okay, when the pasta is ready, spill out the cooking water. So warm up plates would be better to keep deliciousness. So pour the boiling water over it. So okay, time to plate. So put the pasta and the tomato sauce on a warmed plate. And have a look, they are such a beautiful red color. So okay, I will take half some Parmesan. This raises the level of the taste even more. And a pinch of black pepper if you want. So okay, this is the last one. Don't forget the fresh basil. So this makes it look even more beautiful and tasty. So have a look. Super easy and tasty tomato pasta is ready. So don't you think it's great how easy it's to make such a delicious looking pasta without a knife or a chopping board? So it has a richness of Parmesan cheese and the natural sweetness of cherry tomatoes. It's so yum. This is a simple pasta dish, but everyone will absolutely love it. So please give it a try. So thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!